What we have here are all the ingredients we need to make our chicken fajitas today. We have our jalapenos, we have our bell pepper, we have our yellow bell pepper, we have our onions. Of course, we have our chicken that we've already cut up. We have some lime for lime juice, and we have our oil for sauteing the chicken today. We call this, in the culinary field, mise en place, which is French for everything in place. So our chicken is to temperature, and we're going to put it over here. Now this is a bigger plate than I had here before, and it's a clean plate because the original plate had the raw chicken on it. So we're going to do that just to put that over here for the time being. And then we've added more oil, the rest of our oil to it, and we're going to add our onions. We're going to add our bell pepper, our yellow, and then our green. And even though I have 2 jalapenos here, and they're so nicely diced up for us or stripped out for us, we're going to put just about 3 or 4 in there. We can always add it later if we need to, but I don't want to make it overly warm. I'm going to take a little juice here from the lime. Add that in there a little bit. Ooh, look at that. We're going to come back here and add a little salt to the vegetables. A little pepper. Maybe a little bit more cumin. I like cumin. Comes from my chili cooking days. A little bit of garlic powder. And a little bit of chili powder here. So we have that nice flair to it. Said I wouldn't cook it as very long, but we want to cook it enough so that it's not raw tasting to our guests. See how the green is starting to fade out a little bit? That's what we want. We want the onions to become translucent, but not brown. And we want the yellow bell peppers to have the same effect as what's happening with green bell peppers. The spatula that I'm using is a high heat spatula, rated for 550 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay, and then we're going to take our chicken and add it back into our pan. I'm going to turn the heat down. Make sure that flavor and aroma just circulates. And now we're ready to plate.